So I'm basically just doing whatever final touches I can before I max out my current session. So I'm saying, can you import what I had locally for my username? My username is generous. What I actually mean by this is I want to have the video types as they were before in my Outlier channels I programmed to watch for Outlier titles, because there are specific pros in similar niches that I want to make sure we're watching the structure for the Outlier structure of titles that are working well. So that's working. So the other things that I did today is, and now I have this calendar up over here. So we're pushing this to tomorrow. Biz cards. What I did is I updated my daily note so that right in here it actually takes in my things that I'm carrying forward to the next day. That way when I hit this, it actually pulls that up. But what it's gonna do, so when I hit this, it's supposed to be like I hit, the date that it is. And what it's gonna start doing is it's gonna go at 5:30 a.m. what is getting carried forward to the next day, and it's actually just going to push it into the next note, so that when I get in here, it's already started. Okay. All right, so instead of nitpicking what Outlier Sniper is doing, I'm just going to go through kind of where I'm at right now. So I automated the daily notes. I screened 26 Upwork applications and applied to 4 of them. And this is using the automation that scrapes everything and tells me, the rundown of each job and everything that I was doing in my video this morning. Still working on my sync for Comet, because Comet browsers sync. Certain bookmarks will get sticky after you delete them or something, and it just doesn't stay in sync. And so you have to completely sever ties with the sync and let it just sit there for a while, then turn it back on once you've fixed everything. I didn't really work on, oh yeah, I did work on Skool. So basically what I did is I had Claude Code take a look at all my executions and directives and projects and any Python scripts that we're using, which most of those are in the executions folder, and then my Obsidian vault in its entirety. It did an audit of that, and I had it do that so that it could generate assets automatically for me to use in my Skool course. So basically what we did with Skool today is we did the second pass of the audit and cleaned things up so that we could be really specific about what assets could actually be used as assets. This is just the quickest way to just scrape all the work I've been doing over the past few months and figure out what are the different pockets of learning that you can do in my Skool course. And so what this is right now, which I'm kind of hesitant to start it up because I'm at 98% of my sessions limit on the max plan. I might have to do the $200 max plan. There's a few things I've been doing with the Skool course today. Generous design. I did take the screenshots for this. I just need to crop them. So we're gonna add that to tomorrow. Yeah. Did my Upwork applications, did my automation of daily notes, which is going to start happening tomorrow while using up the rest of our context. Okay, so once it deploys, same command again, I'm sure it's deployed. Let's try it. It's been long enough. That looks decent. Let's see what it says. Let's see. I wonder if it's going to give me the sign up or the login screen. Okay. Okay, I think it's working, but it says press A, B, C, or D. There's no way for me to pick through my channels. I liked the pneumorphic cards that were there before. What happened to those? We're gonna go into overtime. So we're gonna see tomorrow morning for the first time this automatically happening when I generate my notes. So do it tomorrow. All the way. Okay. It's been a good day. Yes, I actually did stuff for her today. Meal prep. I'm gonna be doing some more of that too. Daily note completed. Boom. I deployed Outlier Sniper after setting up a team of agents to plan everything out, and then another team of agents to execute everything, and created logins for it. It's basically gone from a local instance to a full-fledged web app with authentication and personalization via a intake questionnaire that people fill out when they start using it. Cause dashboard loads before the audit is established. API challenges. Cool. Well, we have a happy ending as soon as we hit 100%, so that's pretty funny. We're gonna call it there, and I will see you tomorrow.